Welcome back. Here are the top 10 best used cars under $10,000 in 2025, along with their estimated prices. 10. Honda Civic, 2012 to 2015. Price, $7,000 to $9,000. The Honda Civic is known for its reliability, low maintenance costs, and fuel efficiency. Models from 2012 to 2015 offer a comfortable ride and decent tech features. It's versatile, practical, and perfect for everyday driving, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. 9. Toyota Corolla, 2012 to 2015. Price, $7,500 to $9,500. The Toyota Corolla offers excellent fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and a low cost of ownership. With its dependable nature, the 2012 to 2015 models are perfect for those who need a practical vehicle without the high price tag. 8. Hyundai Elantra, 2013 to 2016. Price, $6,500 to $9,000. The Hyundai Elantra provides good value for money with a well-designed interior, smooth ride, and solid fuel efficiency. The 2013 to 2016 models come with a comfortable cabin and a long list of standard features, making it a great option for those looking for affordability and reliability. 7. Mazda 3, 2012 to 2015. Price, $7,000 to $9,500. The Mazda 3 is known for its sporty handling and stylish design. The 2012 to 2015 models offer fun driving dynamics, good fuel efficiency, and a quality interior. With both sedan and hatchback options, it's ideal for those who want a car that's practical and fun to drive. 6. Ford Fiesta, 2014 to 2017. Price, $6,000 to $9,000. The Ford Fiesta is a fun-to-drive subcompact car with nimble handling and an attractive design. The 2014 to 2017 models offer a compact size, great for city driving, while still providing a comfortable ride and decent tech features at an affordable price. 5. Toyota Prius, 2010 to 2013. Price, $8,000 to $10,000. The Toyota Prius is a hybrid that excels in fuel economy. The 2010 to 2013 models offer an eco-friendly ride with plenty of interior space and a quiet, smooth driving experience. If you're looking for exceptional gas mileage, the Prius is the ideal choice. 4. Nissan Altima, 2012 to 2015. Price, $7,500 to $9,500. The Nissan Altima offers a smooth, comfortable ride and decent performance. The 2012 to 2015 models come with a spacious interior and a user-friendly infotainment system. It's an excellent midsize sedan option for those seeking comfort and practicality on a budget. 3. Chevrolet Malibu, 2013 to 2015. Price, $7,000 to $9,000. The Chevrolet Malibu offers a comfortable ride and a spacious cabin. The 2013 to 2015 models come with a variety of engines, including a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder. With modern technology features and solid reliability, the Malibu is a great value for used car buyers. 2. Kia Soul, 2014 to 2017. Price, $7,500 to $9,500. The Kia Soul is a compact crossover that provides great cargo space, good fuel efficiency, and excellent value for money. The 2014 to 2017 models come with a user-friendly infotainment system, spacious interior, and a distinctive boxy design, making it a practical and fun option. 1. Honda Accord, 2008 to 2012. Price, $8,000 to $10,000. The Honda Accord is one of the most reliable midsize sedans, offering a spacious interior, smooth driving experience, and strong resale value. The 2008 to 2012 models are known for their longevity, excellent fuel economy, and low maintenance costs, making them a top pick for anyone looking for a dependable, budget-friendly used car. Don't forget to subscribe to MYK Reviews.